Where is the crypto bottom? Worst case scenario for crypto investors. So, where is the crypto bottom? And what could be the worst case scenario for crypto investors? In light of this, what are experts saying? What will happen to cryptocurrency? Is there any hope for long-term price growth? So, welcome back to Billionaire Crypto Investor. We are back with another interesting video. Today, we are going to talk about the crypto bottom and what could be the worst case scenario for crypto investors. So without any further ado, let's get into the video right away. Since the cryptocurrency markets dropped from their all-time high in November 2021, price recovery has appeared to be a dream. Bitcoin had dropped from a high of $69,000 to a low of $29,000, a loss of 58%. On May 27, 2022, Bitcoin fell to a low of $28,291, and the rest of the crypto market followed suit. Experts believe that the $28,000 level is a critical support level below which the larger market could suffer significant consequences. The future of Bitcoin is a source of debate at this point. While some believe that the oldest blockchain still has a lot of potential, others remain skeptical about the cryptocurrency's value. For Bitcoin, here are the best and worst case scenario outcomes as predicted by crypto specialists and technical analysts. The majority of analysts believe that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will continue to experience short-term volatility. The worst-case scenario for some, including Token Metrics senior analyst Bill Noble, is a drop in Bitcoin's value to $20,000 or less. Investor Peter Brandt believes the top cryptocurrency might fall as low as $28,000. Charting tools and patterns are frequently used by traders to forecast numerous possibilities and potential support levels. As a result, Noble is not expecting that the leading cryptocurrency would fall to a value of $20,000. Insider spoke with the analyst, who said he's considering a range of possibilities, including a more hopeful $56,000. At a price of $28,000, Noble believes the market will stabilize. A Guggenheim Partners Global Chief Investment Officer, Scott Menard, spoke with CNBC at the World Economic Forum 2022 meeting in Davos about Bitcoin and the crypto rout. When you consistently break below $30,000, $8,000 is the ultimate bottom, he said. So I think we have a lot more room to the downside, he added. As it stands, we are witnessing the collapse of crypto as it is. I think there's more to it, he continued. Menard is a cryptocurrency critic and bear. Most of the 19,000 cryptocurrencies currently in circulation, according to Menard, have been deemed garbage. While most will fail, some will succeed, and he believes Bitcoin and Ethereum will be two of them. To put it bluntly, the majority of these currencies are a bunch of trash. The vast majority of crypto is a waste of time, so he explained there will be survivors. The Federal Reserve's quantitative easing approach isn't exactly helping the cryptocurrency market rebound either. The rise in interest rates has changed investor perceptions and increased market anxiety. Currently, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is a reading of 12, indicating a high level of trepidation. On a scale of 0 to 100, acute fear and extreme greed are indicated. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ indices are becoming increasingly connected with the movement of blue-chip equities, and Bitcoin is following suit. The S&P 500 index lost 4.7% in the last month, while the NASDAQ fell 8.45%. Bitcoin lost 26.6% in the same period. According to Benmet Abebe, VP of Principal Trading at Galaxy Digital, correlations are appearing across and inside most asset classes, not just crypto, in an interview with Blockworks earlier this month. Analyst Benjamin Cowan says the dot-com bubble in the late 1990s is giving a glimpse of what the bottom could look like for the crypto market. When Bitcoin has fallen by more than half of its all-time high, he believes this is the worst-case scenario for crypto. You can see that the NASDAQ really corrected around 83% of its losses in the year 2000. An 83% correction has been made here, and if you don't like the thought of correcting cryptography, or you don't believe it can happen, I guarantee you that crypto corrections occur on a regular basis. According to Cowan, the cryptocurrency market might see a collapse of up to 80%. In the Bitcoin asset class, there have already been several instances of an 80% correction, so let us not believe that this one will be any different. The NASDAQ fell by 83% before hitting a macro bottom and then starting on another surge, and then there was the financial crisis, which brought us to yet another bottom. Remember that during the dot-com disaster, there were still multiple bounces in between that made it appear as though it was a bottom, but it truly, in reality, was not. The crypto market cap is at $1.24 trillion, but Cowan Cowen estimates that the new asset class's value might fall below $500 billion if the worst happens. Nasdaq 83% decreased from the top, and it was down to roughly $3 trillion. Now, where would that put the whole asset class? Market capitalization would then be roughly $500 billion for this asset class. He says, I find it difficult to understand an asset class with a market cap of $500 billion, but given that the asset class as a whole was $3 trillion not long ago and is now at $1.26 trillion, it's not too far-fetched to believe that we can't drop another 40% or so to about $500 billion. I would consider that the worst-case scenario. Investors continue to shift their money into less risky assets because they are uncertain about market developments. Some Bitcoin market analysts, on the other hand, see a ray of hope at the end of the tunnel. Is there a positive side to this? Some people, like billionaire investor Mark Cuban, say that cryptocurrency is like the early days of the internet. In Cuban's view, Ethereum smart contracts are more like digital gold, whereas Bitcoin is more like a commodity currency. According to Adul Patel, CEO and co-founder of Mudrex, a crypto investment platform, Bitcoin has been trading in a tight range for the previous few days. $27,000 is where Bitcoin is getting support right now, and $33,000 is where it is getting its first resistance. According to him, we could see Bitcoin crossing $31,000 in the next days as momentum develops. In contrast, financial giant JP Morgan is the most positive outlook. At $38,000, the fair value of Bitcoin is 31% more than the current Bitcoin price. The previous month's crypto market downturn seems more like capitulation relative to last January and February, and looking forward, we see upside for Bitcoin and crypto markets more broadly, JP Morgan's note to clients added. This is the best possible news that Bitcoin investors have heard in a long time. The note also says that cryptocurrency has replaced real estate as the most popular alternative asset to invest in. There has been minimal evidence of VC so far. Analysts at Wazir X believe that if Bitcoin reaches the $31,000 level, it will begin to rebound. $40,000 is likely to serve as a major hurdle for Bitcoin's price, while $24,000 will serve as immediate support. Bitcoin has to break above $31,000 and push towards the $40,000 level to see a substantial trend reversal, the statement added. Predictions for Bitcoin's long-term price range from absolutely nothing to more than $1 million and everything in between. Bitcoin skeptics are concerned that the currency lacks inherent value and does not create anything. One of Berkshire Hathaway's most prominent members, Vice Chairman Charlie Munger, believes that Bitcoin's value would eventually go to zero. Those who believe in Bitcoin say it will take off as a digital currency in the future because of the growing acceptance of the technology. In January, Cathie Wood of ARK Invest made the bold prediction that the price of one Bitcoin may reach and perhaps surpass $1 million by the year 2030. According to the paper, we believe Bitcoin is the most significant use of public blockchains, which serve as the cornerstone of self-sovereign digital money. So, this was all about this video. I hope you liked the information given in the video, and if you have anything on your mind, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. And also hit that bell icon to get the notification of the latest update on the channel. And thanks for watching!